Yes, sir. It's your boy B Hayes. We back with another one, guys. So AMC in the overall stock market. Let's go ahead and take a look at it, guys. See exactly what's going on because things is getting crazier by the day. So if we zoom our way out, guys, for the ones that's acting clueless or don't know exactly what's going on, like, man, how's the market steady coming down? It's steady pulling back. Theoretically, in the grand scheme of things, the market is due to come back even more, even harder. Even though it seems as if it can't, is due to come back down even harder, as well as crypto. Bitcoin sitting at $20,000, still well over 50% down from its all-time high, and looking to come down another 50% from 20K down to around $10,000–$11,000 range, guys. But my thing, why I was so hyped up and had so much energy, because I'm expecting a crazy bull run in the mix of this bear market. I'm expecting for crypto to reach break above that 22,500, run up to the high 20,000, low $30,000 range, $7,000 increase in price action. Also looking for the overall indexes in the market to also have a significant jump, especially individual stock securities that was hit significantly hard, over 70, 80, 90% from their highs. So I am expecting for a crazy turnaround to happen before the market decides to go lower. But that prediction could be wrong. I'm still expecting it. I'm just telling you guys, if that wasn't to happen, be prepared for the market to just go lower from where it's already currently standing at. So let's go ahead and take a look and see exactly what's going on today, causing the market to fall even more. So as we know, in the other day, last week, we had Snapchat fall over 35% within a day. And that also caused other sectors, and stocks within that sector like Facebook, Meta, and Twitter, and other stocks of that nature to come down falling as well. And whenever big dog, large cap companies fall like that, it's going to cause the index to come down falling, which will cause the market to come down falling. So as today, we see is more fear in the economy, more fears out there. The feds is in a rough spot right now. Basically, what they're going to have to do is aggressively hike interest rates to help tame inflation that's steady spiraling out of control, guys. And what that's going to cause a reaction is to the stock market. Whenever they try everything in their willpower to help get this inflation under control, it's going to cause all these markets, crypto, all these assets to come down falling hard in price, guys. So it's still fear that some says we in a recession now, some say we still heading to be going into a recession. In my opinion, I believe the recession has already started, guys. Meaning, from what I'm looking at, from looking into my family's lives, other families' lives, and people around me, I can see the consumption has decreased, meaning people is saving more than they spending now, or not necessarily trying to save more than they spend. They just being meticulous about where their money go. They just not throwing their money any and everywhere, knowing how high food and gas is. They making sure, you know, they spending bare minimum, and wherever money slows up and dries up in the economy and less money is being spent, that's basically your definition of a recession going into play. And if that's already happening, guys, that's already telling us that we're into a mini recession as of now. So stocks fall after Walmart's profit warning, dragging other retail names lower. So U.S. stocks fell on Tuesday after Walmart cut its earnings forecast, sending other retailer shares lower and adding to concern that consumer spending might not be strong enough. To keep the U.S. out of a recession. The Dow Jones fell 128 points, or 0.4%. The S&P 500 lost 0.7%. The NASDAQ declined 1.2%. So Walmart said Monday that it cut its quarterly and full-year profit estimates because of rising food inflation. So guys, we see exactly what's going on with Walmart. A lot of people is going to be doing this. They're also going to be cutting staff, be cutting pay, about how much they paying people per hour, because a lot of people is, you know, they're not making the money that they was making before, even down to the smaller businesses. I see, you know, females talking about their hair, that do hair throughout their house and stuff. Like, what's going on? Ain't many people booking right now, ain't, because people's not, you know, that's not a necessity. Ladies, you know, beauty, they want to keep it up, but it's not a necessity to have their hair done. A lot of people, and even if it is, the ones that really, really care about it, but still know they have to save their money, they're going to go on YouTube and learn how to do the hair themselves. And that way, it may not look the best, but I still got my hair done, and I'm saving hella money on the back end. So it's not just these big businesses, it's the smaller businesses that's getting hurt as well, guys. So you already know, man, the world is about to shake up one more time. If you think COVID was something, if you think you know, all these things, the war, was something, if you think all these different things that's been happening in the world is something, it's going to be nothing like this recession that's about to take place, which, you know, everything, money makes the world go down round. People making less money, things costing more money, you know, people losing their stuff. Like, it's just going to be insane, guys. So anyways, though, let's take a look at this as well. Coinbase is under investigation at the outburst against SEC. So the SEC is reportedly investigating CEO Brian Armstrong Coinbase for improperly offering trading in unregistered securities, adding to the sector's regulatory woes. So guys, we see exactly what's going on with that as well. It's a lot of, you know, fraudulent activity going on in the market. There's nothing new, nothing surprised about there. We also know Coinbase former employer, got investigated and getting arrested for disclosing inside information for his brother and his friends to get inside of crypto before it massively exploded. So we already know them things going on as well, guys. So you already know what to do. Add your boy on Instagram at the B Hayes Show. I love you. We out, and God bless you. We go.